Today I'm going to be swapping out windshield wiper blades on a Toyota Corolla. This is a 2024 model, but it's the same for like the last 10 years of Corollas. If you were your specific generation, make sure you check out what lengths they need. This one has a really big one, looks like an 18-inch, and then a small one there. I'll have the specific lengths in the description and a link if you want to purchase those. So first, we lift this guy up. Now, one thing is when you lift this up, once you detach the windshield wiper blade, if this falls down, it can crack the windshield. So just be really careful if you're concerned about it. Throw a pillow down, or between opening, make sure you have the package of the new wiper blade open, or throw like a pillow or something between there, because if that flops down, it cracks your windshield once you have this off. So if this underneath is just a piece of metal and this is spring loaded, so it can snap down. So that's only one thing to just be cautious about. I've heard of folks snapping that off or snapping that down and getting a crack just by accident. But one thing to know is for this style of windshield wiper arm, there can be 4 different types of attachments. So this is this specific attachment. I'll have it linked to this specific blade in the description. And the way you pop this off is this pops up. Take your whole blade here and slide it down like that. There we go. Took a little wiggling, but then you have this hook, and this is what can snap down. So just be careful with it. I'm going to keep my hand on it because I don't want a broken windshield, but take this. This is your new wiper blade. It pops in here, then a good firm push up, and then this snaps into place. And that's how you do it. Same for both sides. Just make sure you get the right side. The driver's side is generally the longer one. Passenger side's the short little guy. Most vehicles have a staggered size like that. But let me just run through this one more time for you. Boom. This pops up like this. This pops down. And this is where you just want to be cautious to not pop that down. And this goes back on like that. Boom. And that's how you do it. All right. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. Let me know. And we'll see you next time.